to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you on how to set up the Contact Form 7 plugin on your WordPress website. So you must have gotten your domain name and hosting. So you log in to the backend of your WordPress website. So you need to input your username and your password. Then you see something like this. You come to this page once you click on login with the right credentials. So once you are here, at the left-hand panel, you see some couple of libraries. So you just head over to plugin because we want to install the plugin called Contact Form 7. So you just click on your plugin. Okay, so we want to search for Contact Form 7. If you don't have it, Contact Form 7. Okay, so what you do here, you just click on add new plugin because I don't have it, so I have to install it and activate it. So you come here, you click on add new plugin. Okay, now you search for it, Contact Form 7. Alright, so as you can see it here, this is the Contact Form 7. You can see just another contact form plugin, simple but flexible. As you can see, it's over 2000 plus review, and you can see the last when it was updated last, which was 1 month ago at the time of recording this video. So you can see the number of active installation, 10 million plus, which is so huge. Okay, so we want to install this now. So you click on install now. Okay, so once it's successfully been installed, you need to activate it. So you click on activate. Okay, so as you can see, our contact form it's activated, login activated. So you come to the contact form directory. Okay, so just go to the settings of the contact form. Okay, so once you are the settings, you just, as you can see, is contact form 1. So this is the the contact form we just installed. So you need to edit it if you want to create a new contact form. So you just click on edit. Okay, as you can see, so this the default contact form. Wants to install it, and these are the necessary HTML codes for the contact form. So what we want to do now, we want to create a new contact form for a particular page. So you come here and click on add new. Okay, so let's just give our contact form a name. So from a title, we just give it contact form tutorial. Okay, so give it a name and you start the editing. So you can just start with the text. You give it a feed. Okay, so just leave that text feed. You can click on this required. Then the feed name, you can give it the feed name. Okay, something required. You can see, so you just need to do all the necessary edits. Well, we're not doing that for today, so I'm just showing you how to do a contact form. In my next video, I'll show you how to customize your contact form fully. So let's just close this for now. Okay, so once you are done giving your contact form name, then you click on the save. You can see you just save it. Okay, so our contact form is active. So what we'll do now, we want to copy the shortcode for our contact form. As you can see, copy this shortcode and paste it into your post page or text with the get content. So this is our contact form code. So what the code does is that once you paste this particular code, contact form code on a page, you'll be able to see the form display where users can sign in, and do some other kind of things on there. So you can choose to paste this code on either a page, a post, or whenever you want to paste it in. So I'm just going to copy this now. Okay. Okay, so let me just copy it from so I'll go back here. Let me just click on the contact form. Okay, so this is the contact form we create, and this is our short code. So I'll just copy it. Copy. So what we want to do now, we want to create a new page. So let's assume we want to create a page for our contact form where users can sign in. So we just head over to the page, click on add new page. Okay, so give our page a name. Let's just say contact tutorial. So once we are done, we just come here and we paste our code. So you can see this is short code for our contact form, and you can see it's active. And you can select okay. Okay, so basically you just paste the code in, and once you're done, you click on the publish. Click. Okay, so our page is live now. So we want to view the page. You can just choose to view it from here, or okay, let's just click here. So hey guys, so this is our contact form page, and it's on our website. So you can choose to customize it the way you want. So in my next video, I will drop a video on how to customize your contact form and make it fit to the way you like it. So guys, I want you to give this video a like, and also subscribe to my channel. Also click on the notification bell so that when I drop videos, you will be the first to be notified. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.